Question number 4. A presence check is a type of validation check. State the purpose of a presence check. So what does it do? To check that the value has been entered, to check the value has not been left blank in the important field. Important fields are not left blank. So there can be many answers which all are related to the same, that values have been entered and the fields are not left blank. Any issues? Now, part B. A value input into a computer system must be an integer. Identify the validation check that should be used to test whether the value input meets this requirement. Value entered must be an integer. Fine. So which is the most important check that strikes your mind? Definitely type check. Exactly. So easy. Now moving to second part of B part. Write pseudocode for an algorithm to allow a number to be input into an appropriate variable and check whether the number is an integer. If the number is an integer, it is accepted. If the number is not an integer, an error message is output. Re-input of the number is required until a valid number is input. Now, this is very, very important. Just try to understand the question first, and then we proceed with its answer. Now, you can see re-input is needed in case an invalid number is entered. And what is this? If the number is an integer, accepted. Accepted is based on situation that the number input is an integer. Number is an integer, accepted. If the number is not an integer, then error message is going to be displayed. So since they are asking us to keep on re-inputting the data until the required number is input, like until the integer is input. So we can use it, we can do it through a repeat, or we can do it through a while loop. Exactly. So you can see repeat until input number. Now, if mod number comma 1 is not equal to 0, then output, please try again. Assume that you, just giving you an example, what I can say, assume that you entered maybe 5. Okay, 5 comma 1. Like for example, what we did, we entered 5 and assume that mod 5 comma 1 means what? Definitely you are dividing 5 by 1 and the remainder will be see, I'm dividing 5. Now assume that yes, it's very easily, no problem at all. Assume that we are just talking about different situations. Situation 1 is I entered 5 here. Okay. And then we applied the situation, the condition checking is here. If mod number comma 1 is not equal to 0, mod number is 5 and comma 1 means division is done. And the remainder, by the way, I'm dividing 5 by 1 and it is going to divide completely. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0, exactly. Now, what are we doing? We are just checking 0 is not equal to 0. What do you think? This is the result. 0 is the result. And now we are checking 0 is not equal to 0. By the way, is the condition true or false? Is this condition true or false? The condition is actually 0 is not equal to 0. So you will say it to be false. And definitely it will not enter. And it will check until mod number comma 1 equal to 0. Till the time the mod applied on the number divided by 1 is going to give you the answer of remainder as 0. So keep on inputting. Definitely it will not ask me to re-input the data because it is meeting the condition. But situation 2, assume that I entered maybe, for example, 7.9, for example. Now you can see if we apply this mod condition with this mod here and we move down, fine. Now just let's redo with mod and 7.9. Now 7.9 comma 1. By the way, do you think it will give you the same result? No, it will give you the remainder, isn't it? 7.9 will definitely 1 times 7 is 7 and the remainder is going to be, you will put the decimal and then you will move down and then you perform the complete division. So by the way, if you are dividing 7.9 by 1, will you get 0 as a remainder? No, it is not. So what will you get actually? You can see for yourself when you apply the division. Okay, now just let me make it very simple one so you can understand. 7.1, for example. 1 times 7 is 7, and remainder is going to be, definitely you have place a decimal, and remainder is 1. So you can see that it's going to be giving you the remainder of 1 here. And 1 is not equal to 0. Now you can see this is going to ask for a re-input actually, till the time the user has entered an integer value. So it will keep on asking the person to re-input the value. The use of mod number comma 1 not equal to 0. Then output please try again, end if and until mod number comma 1 equal to 0. Till the time the mod function applied on number divided by 1, giving you the remainder of 0, keep on doing the work. Understood? Easy?